They have a new Ironman. LA Tenorio sets the record for the most consecutive games played, just as Barangay Ginebra beat its bitter rivals sa Magnolia Hotshots in an overtime thriller. And joining us right now live is Lateniente himself. Bagong gising lang. Welcome back to Sports Desk. Lateniente LA Tenorio. Good morning, Pards.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning sa lahat ng mga nanonood.
Okay. Congratulations on the big win, overtime win against Magnolia. We'll get to that in a bit. But of course, breaking Captain Lionheart's record, 597 games played straight since you were drafted. I remember back in college, ikaw tuloy-tuloy din. But ikaw talaga, nasa mentality mo ba yun na kahit minor injury yan, lalaruin mo pa rin?
Yes. Actually, hindi ko naman talaga napansin eh. Until naging parang...
But was it your goal?
Like, no, actually, hindi. Hindi ko napansin na, alam mo yung hindi mo naman na-realize na dire-diretso ka na pala naglalaro. Parang it started lang nung 500 games straight. Doon lang nag-start yung count eh. Parang yung statistician ng PBA na nilabas niya, parang nilabas niya na yun nga, 500 straight games na daw ako naglalaro. So, pwede ko rin ma-break yung record ni Alvin. Doon ko lang na-realize na parang,
kaya.
I mean, diba, dire-diretso pala ako naglalaro. Doon ko lang na-realize, hindi ko talaga napapansin na dire-diretso ako naglalaro.
Pero nagkaroon ba ng point in your career na, syempre alam ko, dami mong mga pinagawa, your elbow, di ba? Even when your wife gave birth, Cheska, di ba? Alam ko may mga times na muntikan mo na ma-miss yung game. But was there really a time na makakamiss ka ng one game?
Wala
or gusto mong pahinga?
Actually, wala eh. Wala. May time na after the game, pupunta ako ng hospital para magpa-IV. Pero the next day, lalabas din ako. So may time lang na one time na yung dehydration. Siyempre sa hospital, hindi ka naman basta-basta pwede lumabas eh, di ba? So lumabas ako and then I told the doctor na, Doc, babalik na lang ako, maglalaro muna ako. Pero other than that, thank God, talagang yung mga injuries, hindi tayo dinadaanan. Knock on wood. Knock on wood.
Knock on wood, syempre. Alam naman natin kasama sa sport yan, pero you're fortunate enough na ikaw wala kang major injuries. Ano, doon sa mga nanonood ngayon sa'yo, syempre, ang dami, you're now a role model. Ikaw yung Iron Man eh, di ba? Ikaw yung gustong tularan ngayon na, sana maging LA Tenorio ko, na wala akong ma-miss na games. 597 games in the PBA. That's not really easy. So, now, anong advice mo sa kanila? What's your secret, kumbaga, for like taking care of your body, longevity in your career?
Actually, there's no secret naman eh. Lahat naman ng ginagawa ko, I'm sure ginagawa rin, katulad ng sinasabi ko parati, lahat ng ginagawa ko, ginagawa rin ng mga basketball players. I think, siguro may mga basketball players pa nga na mas may disiplina. May disiplina sa pagkain, sa workout, and everything. But I think, for me, it's really a miracle for me. Yun yung sinabi ko rin during my interviews last night. It's really a miracle. It's really God's gift. Talagang sa milyon-milyong basketball players, ako yung pinili niya na, pwedeng may timing na magkasakit ka tapos maglalaro, di ba? Pero hindi niya ginawa yun. Di ba? Even in NBA, I don't think one player can, di ba? Sa NBA, wala na.
Last na ganung katagal?
Ganung katagal na dire-diretso, di ba? In a competitive level. So, I think, kung mabibigay ko advice sa mga, mga basketball players or aspiring basketball players, really, number one, you just make sure to take care of your bodies. Kilala nila yung katawan nila, sila nakakilala ng katawan nila, and sila makakapag-adjust kung anong kailangan ng katawan nila. So, and dasal lang talaga, yun lang talagang ginagawa ko everyday. Hindi nawawala yun. And for me, it's a miracle talaga para sa akin.
Okay, let's go to the game. Lamang kayo, mukhang kailangan nyo din ng miracle kagabi. Overtime, muntikan pa. Crucial win para sa inyo, LA. Kasi, syempre, Magnolia, really, they were gritty, pinaabot ng overtime. But you think, masasabi mo ba na yung Ginebra, medyo nakukuha na kasi back-to-back wins na kayo ngayon?
Hopefully na kukuha na namin yung momentum na gusto namin makuha. Kasi it's really hard to get a momentum na every week yung game. Every Sunday kasi yung game, we had the 3 weeks layover because of the Gilas break.
Yeah.
And then we played against Alaska. sobrang hirap talagang kunin nung rhythm namin nun kasi 3 weeks kami. So, yun nga, talo kami sa Alaska and then after that, 1 week na naman and then 1 week na naman, di ba? Hopefully, ito na yung momentum na hinahanap namin going to the playoff. We treat every game as a playoff game now. Talagang every win talaga importante ngayon. So, the last night's win, sobrang laking bagay sa amin kasi 3-4 sila and then 4-3 kami. Kung natalo kami kagabi, magtatay kami.
Tabla kayo, oo.
Plus, they have the quotient against us. So, malaking bagay. Ngayon, we're 2 games ahead of them. And alam mo naman natin ng Magnolia, hindi titigil yan eh. For us, they are the defending champions kasi last conference, nag-champion sila. So,
That's right.
Sila yung defending champions. And yun, napakalaking bagay talaga sa amin.
Nakuha niya yung Governor's Cup, but ang Ginebra, nakuha niya na rin ng Commissioner's Cup, but Ginebra hasn't won the All-Filipino title 2007. Alam kong gustong-gusto niyo na yun na makuha ulit. Pinag-uusapan niya nila Mark na makaisa tayo na Philippine Cup na title. Anong kailangan gawin ng Ginebra sa tingin mo? Anong kailangan niyong gawin para finally maka All-Filipino championship kayo?
Well, ano lang talaga eh. We really have to play the same way na naglalaro kami the past 2 games. Our defense. Yun talaga ang parati naming, kumbaga yun yung
Ganda ng depensa niya.
yun yung MO namin. For the past 2 games, I think we limited our opponents for, probably below 100, di ba? Sa basketball ngayon kasi 100 plus na yung game, di ba? So, taas na. So, yun lang ang kailangan namin. We really have to improve our defense. And our offense naman, nandyan naman kami. Nandyan naman yan, darating naman yan. Kasi, marami nga mga talent sa team eh. Everyone can score. I think defense is the key to win the championship. And yun yung na-prove ng Magnolia last conference when they won the championship. They played really good defense. And Phoenix
also,
is the number 1 team ngayon because of their defense. So, yun talaga eh, defense wins championship, 'di ba? Yun ang parati sinasabi ng teams, 'di ba? Paulit-ulit pero yun ang totoo.
Yun talaga kailangan. Depensa.